Welcome to a brief interactive video on the similarities and differences of banks and credit unions presented by Connex Credit Union. Let's begin. So, what's a credit union, you might ask? Credit unions are formed by a group or groups who share a mutual bond such as an employer, education, location, or other common link. Each group participant secures part ownership of the credit union by making a minimum deposit equal to one share into a share savings account. This is why credit union customers are called members or member owners. A credit union is owned and operated by its members to help them meet the financial needs of the group. Credit unions have important benefits in order to better serve their members. Three of the biggest benefits are as follows. For starters, they encourage and help members save regularly. They also let members borrow funds at fair rates. Once credit unions' expenses are paid and reserves set aside, they return any earnings to members in the form of higher dividends, competitive loan rates, and free or low-cost services. Both banks and credit unions do have some similarities. However, they are very different on how they operate. It's important to understand how your money is handled. Banks and credit unions are both alike in that they accept deposits, make loans, provide a variety of financial services, and are insured backed by the full faith and credit of the U.S. government, up to $250,000. Banks and credit unions also have important differences. For starters, banks are open to the general public, where credit unions are open to members that share a mutual bond. Their board members are elected by shareholders, paid for their service. Credit unions, however, are not-for-profit financial organizations that are represented by member directors, who are unpaid volunteers. On average, more banks charge higher fees for a checking account than credit unions. Most credit unions offer at least free checking accounts, or checking accounts that offer interest. While banks and credit unions offer a variety of loan types, such as home and auto, banks traditionally offer more commercial loans and their rates are typically higher on consumer loans. When it comes to loan applicants, both banks and credit unions factor in applicants' credit record and capacity to repay. However, credit unions also factor in a person's character and relationship with the credit union. In addition, more banks charge higher fees on average than credit unions. Because profits are returned to members, credit unions' fees are fewer and lower than banks. Banks are fiercely competitive and reluctant to share information and resources with other banks. Credit unions, however, cooperate with each other, like in shared branching. With shared branching, you can go to a participating credit union and make a deposit, take out money, or make a loan payment, as if you were at your credit union's local branch. Last but not least, in the entire history of the United States, taxpayer dollars have never been used to bail out credit unions. Connex Credit Union is open to everyone who lives, works, worships, or attends school in New Haven, Hartford, and Middlesex counties. Becoming a member is easy. All you have to do is deposit $25 into a share savings account, and you're a member. Connex provides all the products and services you need, including free checking, online and mobile banking. You can even deposit a check using your smartphone, bill pay, all types of loans and credit cards, insurance and investment products, and so much more. I encourage you to visit connexcu.org, call 1-800-CR-UNION, or better yet, visit a branch and talk with someone. We'd love to meet you. Connex's mission is to improve the lives of our members one member at a time. Our financial advocates are trained to work with you to understand your goals, identify your needs, and provide solutions to improve your financial life. They are always ready to help, no matter where you currently stand financially. If you're ready to take the next step and improve your financial life, call, stop by, or go to connexcu.org and start your path to financial security. Connex Credit Union has 7 convenient locations across Connecticut. They are North Haven, Brantford, Guilford, Hamden, Meriden, New Haven, and Orange. Stop by one of our branches today. Visit connexcu.org for more information on branch hours. Let's see how much you know. Are you ready? Let's begin. Here's the first question. Are credit unions open to the general public? If you think the answer is yes, go ahead and click on the Yes button. If you think the answer is no, go ahead and click on the No button. Here's the second question. Do credit unions cooperate with other credit unions? If you think the answer is yes, go ahead and click on the Yes button. If you think the answer is no, go ahead and click on the No button.